How to fix McDonald's app won't let me log in. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're having trouble logging into the McDonald's app, then in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix this. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You want to ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and data to see if that resolves the issue. If that doesn't fixes your problem, next thing you want to do is to verify your login credentials. You want to double check the details that you enter, such as your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the forgot your password option to reset that. Now, the next solution is to update the application. You want to make sure that you have the latest version of the McDonald's app installed on your device. For this, open up Play Store or App Store and search for the McDonald's app. Make sure that you tap on the update button over here and update the application to the latest version. By doing this, it will fix the minor bug issue and you will be able to log in again. Now, you want to open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on the apps option over here. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. Simply scroll through this and find the McDonald's app. Tap on this. Now you want to tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. You want to head back and tap on the force stop option. After that is done, you can simply restart your device and then try to log into your account again. If that doesn't fixes your issue, then the last thing you want to do is simply uninstall the application. Once it has been uninstalled, you can again reinstall it from Play Store or App Store, and that should fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.